Intelligent touch control panel. High power ultrasound instrument. Welding with auto-identify for mask. Ultrasonic welding structure. Welding by ultrasonic sensor for welding mask accurately. Pneumatic valve driver. Rotating work table. Cylinder drive. Easy operating control switch. Connect air pipe before using the machine. Adjust the machine pressure to 0.5 ampere. Turn on the machine. Enter menu, hit the key stop, then the machine starts working. Mask ear loop threading. Operation demo. Put on mask. Hit the key start. Process done.